Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Suunto application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the Suunto application to send the notifications to your watch. And to do it, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. So let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, we need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on it there should be Suunto Race. Tap on the info icon next to it, and right here there should be option called Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. If you're not seeing this option, because it is possible this option is not here, close the settings for now, open the Suunto application. In the app, tap on the device icon, wait until your watch is done connecting with your iPhone. Okay, once it's connected, we can scroll down and find the notifications on watch, and you should be able to tap on it, but for some reason it's still syncing, so let's wait. Okay, now we can scroll down, tap on notifications on watch, and here turn on the notifications or turn them off and turn them back on. And after a couple of seconds, you should see some pop-ups about the permissions. If you see them, tap on allow and allow all of them. And then you can go back to settings just to make sure that the option is enabled. So settings, Bluetooth, Suunto Race, tap info icon next to it. And this option should be here and it should be enabled. Then go back to the main page of settings, this one. Scroll down and find the Suunto application. Once you find it, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once it is, close the settings, of course, open the Suunto application, select the device icon, and wait until the watch is done connecting with our iPhone. This one is, for some reason, it takes longer than it should, but let's wait. Okay, it says connected. Now let's scroll down, find the notifications on watch, tap on it, make sure to enable the notifications. And here we have two message types. We have, or rather three at least. We have the app notifications. This is for the applications on your iPhone. Next we have the call notifications. This one is of course for calls, and messages is for messages. So enable the ones you like. And once you enable them, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and let's see if it's working. So let's send the message. And as you can see, it is working. We got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. If you miss your notification on the watch, you can always press the lower button to open the control panel. Then you can scroll down, tap on notifications, and here we have our notifications. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartwatch or for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.